There's coldness there, there's karma. There's heat, there's flames, there's lava. Volcanic, what can we do? It gets manic. I know what I'd rather. When I pick up the mic, it's power. When I pick up the mic, got powers. When I pick up the mic, it's power. When I pick up the mic, got powers.
Hello, this is McLogo with a Sunday flying video, or I actually wanted to make a Sunday flying video. Took my Toothpick out, just to Ikea parking space, and it's, first of all, it's very crowded. There are quite a lot of people there, so I just flew here in the parking space, and yeah, not the best environment for a toothpick because of the thin arms, and I was just reminded how fragile basically such a toothpick is, and even so this is a more sturdy one. This is the AOS T3, but as you can see that was just a light crash into a tree, but yeah, I had fun. I flew one pack, the second pack I could not fly finished, but yeah, doesn't matter. Have fun watching the flight, and have a great Sunday. Bye bye.